In this video, we look at brand kits. The brand kit in Canva keeps your brand's logos, colors, fonts, voice, graphics, photos, icons, and charts all in one place. Easy to find. You access the brand kit in the left side toolbar. It has the little crown icon, so it's for paid subscriptions only. Click on the icon to open Brand Kit. Next, click Add New here at the top right of the page. A Create Brand Kit box opens asking you to give the brand a name. Add a name and click Create. This opens a page where you will enter all the brand's elements. First section is for you to add a logo. To the right is the plus sign and Add New button for you to upload a logo from your computer. You can click here to open your computer and drag the logo over. There's also a Guidelines section under the Add New button. This opens a box for you to make notes, ensuring anyone who has access to this brand can see what your instructions are on how to use the logo. Next up is Color Palette. Click the little pencil icon to name the color palette. Notice that the colors from the logo appear in the color palette. Clicking the Add New button gives you two options. The Guidelines section appears again for you to leave instructions for color. Our second option is to add a palette. Click the arrow to open a drop-down to let you choose colors. If you click Add Custom Palette, it slides a new color palette here under the color circle. Click on the color circle to add your hex codes. Fonts are next. Here we choose title, heading, subheading, and body fonts, making sure your text is always the same for the brand. You can also give each font a size and style for consistency across the designs. You can also upload a personal font by clicking Manage Upload Fonts button. The Brand Voice section leaves detailed written instruction on what this brand's personality is and how it communicates with its audience and everything that is sent out to clients using a consistent language and tone. Click and fill in the description for anyone else in your team to work with. The next three sections are for photos, graphics, and icons. For each of these sections, you can either upload or drag and drop the photos, graphics, and icons. The last section is charts, if your brand uses charts. Once you have set up your brand kit, you will see it available in the editor. With the design open, move over to the left side toolbar and choose Brand. Click on Brand and a tab opens for you to select a brand kit. Select the brand kit. Once open, the logos, colors, fonts appear in the left tab. To choose a logo, click on the Logos tab and choose from your options. Fonts and colors will also be displayed for you to choose from. Click on the Color Palette colors to apply the brand's colors to any design. When you have a brand kit in place, applying your brand elements to the design is straightforward and fast. If you found this content helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.